Hey guys, it's Carla again, and today I'm going to be doing this slime kit. It's called Super Slime Studio, and you can make different types of slimes. You can make a confetti slime, mermaid slime, unicorn slime, crunchy slime, neon slime, glitter, galaxy, and rainbow. And here I think there's everything that comes in it. So yeah, and that's how it's meant to be set up. It only takes 3 steps. So step 1 is add color, ingredients, and step 2 is add the activator. Step 3 is see the magic happen. Okay, so let's open it. Let's get started. Okay, there's a lot of tape on it. Take this bit out. Oh god, there's a lot of stuff in here. So this looks like a little setup. There's something in there as well. And then it looks like we've got all our glue and activator. So we've got white slime glue just there. Clear slime glue right there. More white slime glue, slime activator, more slime activator. So we've got 2 bottles of slime activator. We've got 2 bottles of white slime glue and then some clear slime glue. And that is not it. It comes with some containers, some sticks, and a spoon, and it also comes with a mixer type thing. I have no clue how to use that. Is there any instructions? Yes, good, there is instructions because I'm really bad at instructions. Doing things by myself and stuff. So I'm glad that there's instructions. So let's set this thing up and then I'll be back when I'm done setting it up. Yeah. Okay, I just finished setting up the slime kit. So this is what it looks like. Here we've got a little compartment for the spoon. We've got the containers. This is a container with measurements and stuff on the side. Not sure if you were able to see that. And that cup is for the activator. Here's the clear slime glue. We've got the white glue here. Then we've got the big mixer. It's around like that. We've got the activator here. 3 different colors. We've got gold, purple, and silver. Here we've got paints. We've got blue, yellow, pink, and green. Here's some more slime activator. The spare one, the white glue. It came with 2 extra paints, pink and blue. And then it comes with confetti. That's for the confetti slime or like a party type slime. And then this one is for the crunchy slime. Now the crunchy beads are meant to go in these holes, but I decided not to put them in because it might get into a mess. Came with 6 popsicle sticks and some lids for the containers. And yeah, that's just all of it. And it also came with some stickers. Stickers are always good help on the containers of slime. Okay, yeah, let's get started. So, apparently if we get this, we need to add colour, add the ingredients and stir. So we're meant to stir like this. And then once it's in here, you get it in there properly. This bit should move around like that. But now it's just deciding not to work. Which is just really annoying. Let's try this again. Put it in properly. Why won't you work? Come on. You need to work. I want you to work. There you go. And then it like spins like that by itself. You need to like really make sure that you get this lid on properly, otherwise I don't think it works. Because like yeah, you need to like hear it click. And it's not working again. Maybe if I take the lid off a bit. Still not really working. Don't know what's going on with this, but I'm going to try to fix it. I'm not sure it will fix though. Like legit not working. It just will not spin for some reason. Hey, you can move the handle. How are we meant to do this then? I see, you're meant to screw on the lid. No, push it down. It was working just before. Now it's not. Finally, it works. I'm not sure what color to make it. It's either a blue or a pink. I actually think that I might make it pink. Add color, ingredients, and stir. So, got the pink out. That's what it looks like. So I think that we like get some sticks. It says that we have to add color. So I'm just using the stick because that's what they like mean. And I'm gonna try not to. Yeah, I got it all over the set. I think I might have to take the lid off and put it in. It's like, look at that. Look what I just did to it. Oh my god. Oh no. Get off the stick. Don't think the paint's gonna come off. I'm gonna put that down just there. Actually, I have a way that. No, actually, this one doesn't come off. Thank you. I'm not actually sure how much I have to use, so I'm actually just gonna like use 2 sticks. Do I do this? Do I get it all down there? Well, there is like only 3 containers, so I think I'm only gonna make 3, but like I do, that means I will have spares over. I'm gonna add the glue. I think I'm gonna do the white glue. Yep, it has a seal on it. But look what just happened. That bit came off, which is just not fun. So I actually think instead of using that one, I should use this one because of what just happened. This one's really easy to get off now. Oh yeah, there's glue there. Yeah, now let's put the lid back on. Now I'm not sure how much to like put in. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Because I think we're just meant to eyeball it. Dude, I do gotta save some for it. Like my other ones. Like I do also have this one and I have another bottle of this one. Now I think I might add a little more colour. Just to be sure. I just got it on my finger. It's so annoying. I forgot the most important bit. The beads. Who can forget the beads? Like, who can forget the beads? No one. No one can forget the beads. Not the beads. Guys, do I just add the whole thing? I'm just going to add the whole thing. No more beads left. Okay, so let's put my rubbish over here for now. Close up the paint. So far that's what it looks like on the inside. Now I'm going to put the lid on. Hopefully, yep, it still works. I'm going to use one of these sticks to like push these beads down and stuff. Now it's it doesn't say to like add any activator just yet, so I won't do that yet. I think I need more glue. So I'll add some more glue. Added heaps of glue. Sorry about that, guys. The battery went out, so I quickly had to change it, and now I can get back onto the video. So yeah, let's keep going. I'll put this one off the charge. Okay, that way it's charging. So you guys saw that I added some more glue in. Oh yeah, I did do that. I got some paint and the glue. Now this thing's not working again. Oh, I was just going the wrong way, don't worry. I definitely need more glue. Okay, so I've just added some more glue in. And now I'm going to twist the lid back on for hopefully the final time. Time to start doing this. I really hope this works. It's not putting in the slime just yet because like there's no activator in there. Okay, I think it's mixed up enough. Like I do see some like glue on the outside, so I don't know if you can see that. But like I'm gonna get like one of the sticks to like just wipe it down. Okay, so I just did that. And got so much on my hands. Now, it doesn't say how much activator to put in, but if you guys ever make slime, this is a pro tip. For making slime, just add a little bit at a time, otherwise it will go overactivated, and then if you overactivate it, then it just won't turn into slime and it will just go really, really funny. But if you use Tide and as your activator, then if you put too much in and it makes it really watery, then you can put a little bit of water into it because Tide is meant for water. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going to pour this activator in. God, this is hard to get out. Didn't think it would be this hard. Gotta use 2 hands, sorry guys. Now, I'm not quite sure what type of activator this actually is. So, I don't know if this is like Elmo, like an American type of activator. Actually, I can just keep the lid on. Because it has this little hole there that I can like pour it into. Just really thankfully that good heat there. Let's try another slime. Slime, here I come. Now that it's like on there, I think I might have to get one of my sticks that doesn't have a lot of paint under it. Get this glue off. Well, it's not glue anymore. Actual slime. Fun, huh? Now I want to try get the slime off this stick kind of now. No. Oh. Guys, I have to show you this. There's this bead and it almost fell off the edge. If it did, I would be so mad. Because someone could step on it and it would hurt like really bad. Just gonna put that back in there. Time to twist it back on and try to start stirring again. I think it needs a little more activator. Where's the activator? Activator's here. Okie dokies. Let's add a little more activator. Guys, if you do get this kit, I recommend only doing like a little bit. I recommend only doing like that much if you get this slime kit. If you do just do the slime, just add that much at like a time or something. Like yeah. So yeah. Now I'm gonna start mixing it again. Long way. Just will not come off this stick. It's so annoying. I'm going to get the bead. Naughty bead. Get back in there. Let's push this down. God. This is... Guys, if you do get this slime kit, be prepared, it's going to be messy. You know what? I'm going to be a savage. Just do that. See? Savage. Savage. And would you look at that? Barely anything still in my hands, which is really good. I'm gonna get a stick, get everything that's on the outside. Sorry, the camera just turned off there. So now I'm going to try to get all the excess from the sides off, so that, like, I can actually mix it. It does not want to get off the sides right now. And there's still some activator in there. And it's like really annoying. And I can't take the bottom off now because like there's still activator in there. So I'm gonna try to, if I twist this on, mix it. It's not working. Yeah, this is not working. So I am gonna take the lid off. Oh, sweet, this time it didn't like actually stick. Now I'm going to pour the activator into the sink. Okay guys, I took the bottom off from the container and all the slime was stuck onto the bottom of it, and I pulled all the spare activator out. So now I'm just going to like pick it up like a stick so it's all kind of in like the middle. Right. And then I'm just gonna mix it a little more so that
there it is. You had it together, then it's all popped up.
Now I'm screwing the bottom back on so I can actually mix all of it instead of just mixing the middle bit. I feel like this thing's gonna break. Now that it's all stuck together, I can put it into a container. Let's do it. Once it will get off, and then I'll need to wash the container. No, there's a bit stuff. This is the slime. Beads keep falling out. Seriously, what's wrong with these beads? At least I can actually hold it. Let's find this bead.
Did you lose something, Carla?
A bead fell out.
Oh no.
Oh well, who cares? No, you're not falling out as well. I'll find that other bead after this video, so This is it. So far, it's very stretchy. Just stretch it slowly. Now I'm going to try to make a slime swirl with it. And I'm going to crunch it. That's like something really famous to do with slime. The beads keep falling out. Okay, I just made a slime swirl. Now I'm going to crunch it. There was a crunch, but beads keep falling out. So like, I'm gonna try to at least it's not like my other slime kit video that I got for Christmas where it was really sticky and we had to wait a few days. Like, yeah, this one's actually kind of a good type. Because like, it's not as sticky. That makes sense. The other ones you could see they were so sticky. Like this one's just not as sticky. I think I was meant to like make a little more than this. Yeah, I think I was meant to add more glue than this. I think I was meant to add the whole container. So, yeah. Naughty bead. Beads keep falling out and it's really annoying. You just made another slime swirl. Right there. Beads keep falling out. Now I'm going to crunch it. It doesn't crunch too much. But like, I'm going to collect all the beads now. And when I'm done with all of them, I'll show you again. Let's put that in its container. Okay guys, I'm back and I finished cleaning up the spinner, the mixer, and I also cleaned up everything else. And I was playing with this slime a little bit. I found some more beads to put in it that were like on the ground, just hanging around and everything. I thought that I would do a crunching test again. Let's listen. Oh no. Guys, so many beads fell out of that just now. But that was actually a pretty good crunch. It's better than last time. So guys, that's how many beads fell out. That's 16 beads right there that just fell out. Now it's crunching this slime. Now I think we should put this one away. Let it sit for a little. We'll come back to it later at the end of the video. So now I'm thinking that I should mix some colors. I'm thinking of mixing blue and green together. Like, I don't know what type to do, but I think I might just do like a normal type thing and with like some silver glitter or something. So yeah, and then I'm hoping that it'll make like a teal type color. But sorry, I need to sneeze.
Bless you.
Thank you. If you're wondering who them people are, I have both my brothers over there, my mom and my dad at work. And if you hear like a movie type thing, it's because they're watching a movie. And yeah, I'm hoping it will turn into a teal. But first I'm going to add the glue because I think that's what you're meant to do first. Even though it says add color, ingredients, and then to stir, I think you're meant to add the glue first. So, yeah. First of all, I've got to put the bottom on properly. There is still a little bit of pink from others. I don't know if you can see it somewhere. So yeah, Unscrew that so that I can put the glue in. Now I think I'm not sure how much more to add, but I'm just gonna add as much as I think I meant to. Like, there's never a certain amount of glue that you're meant to add. I'm just gonna do it like this. And I'm still thinking of the next type I'm gonna do. But I think I might do it with a clear type glue. And that's all I'm gonna tell you. Because I'm gonna tell you the last because I don't want to be a spoiler. So yeah. Okay, so I think I've added enough glue. That should be enough glue. I hope so. Damn it, there's still a little bit of activator water. But, oh well, it won't matter. I'm going to add a little bit more. I still have another bottle of this. Except the lid broke. Now, I kind of think that bottle is empty, but I'm not quite sure yet. I'll let that sit. I've got my 2 sticks here. Use. So let's like open it up. Okay. I'm going to try not to get any of the paint onto like the side or anything like that. Yeah. It's a lot of blue. I'm really hoping this works. Okay, so I just finished adding all of the glue and paint in. That's what it looks like. First, so there must be like a leak. Alright.
The balls are going very well.
Okay, now I've got to add some glitter. I'm not going to tell you what color yet. Has to be a surprise. Okay, time to reveal the surprise of what color I'm going to be doing. Drum roll, please. Going to guess what color what color glitter I'm going to be using for the hopefully teal color slime. Or just comment hashtag #2 slime. This can be hashtag #1 slime. This one that I'm making now, hashtag #2 slime, and just so on and so on. Pause the video, comment down below what color you think. It's either the other 2 colors. So, purple, silver, or gold. What color one do you think? Comment down below what ones you want. Okay, let's put the other 2 back now. Okay, drum roll please. Silver! I'm going to be adding some silver. So you comment down below if you got the right color. Leave a thumbs up. If great, that's glue on the bottom. I like this. I think that's enough glitter. I'll add a little tiny bit more. Okay. I kind of have glue on me, on my arm, on my thumb, yeah. I'm gonna go, I'll be back. Okay, I got some baby wipes to wipe down. Sorry, I was eating. Okay guys, I added the silver glitter, all that. Now all I have to do is mix it. I'll clean that up just like that. And yeah. Now I'm gonna mix it. Please don't do a teal colour. It's kind of working. It's colour again, and I'm sorry about the camera. When I tried to change the battery actually got stuck into the camera. So now I'm using my mom's iPad, and I added some blue paint into it, kind of make it some teal. And I don't know why, but when I mix it, it's kind of turning into slime, but I haven't added the activator into it. I don't get this. Now I'm just gonna mix it all up. Wait. That's what it's kind of looking like so far. See, look at that. It sticks. How? Gonna get one of these sticks to wipe it down. It's not really turning into like a teal color like I wanted it to, because like I think I added too much green and not enough blue, so I'm trying to just add some more blue to it. Like the blue's not like mixing now. This is like already slime, but I haven't added activator. So like if you do ever get this kit, don't try mixing colours together like I did. Come on. Come on, blue. Blue. Come on. Please stick to the bottom. Please, 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 please. Yes! Okay guys, I finished cleaning up this, and now I'm gonna keep stirring it to kind of mix in the blue, because I found some blue paint on the sides. And this is getting really hard to turn now because of the glue. It's kind of drying up. There we go. Got it. Got it. Honestly, this is so hard. I'm just going to take it out. Actually, first, before I take it out, I have to clean my sticks. This is just like much harder than the other one. Anything it touches, it sticks to. Really annoying. Okay guys, I finished mixing it, and now I'm going to add the activator. Okay, let's clean the mess up that I made. Okay, now I'm going to pour it in. Got it just here. Pour it in. Okay, now I'm going to mix it all up. Hopefully it will all start sticking together and won't stick to me, because I'm not part of the slime. I'm the one making the slime. Okay, I'm twisting it on now. This is really hard, really annoying. Twist this bit on, which is really annoying. There's still activator in here. Guys, this is really hard to turn now. think I might need a little bit more activator. Like 1 or 2 drops. That should be good. And put the cup back. And start mixing. Okay guys, I think that it's done finally. Carefully take it out because yep, there's some a little bit extra activator. That's alright though. This kind of turned out. This kind of didn't turn out because I wanted it to turn out as a teal, but it's not really a teal. It's more a green than a teal. It's very activated. It's like watery. It's got a little bit of pink into it. I'm going to get this bit. This one also kind of works. There's a little bit of pink into it. That's okay though. I do know what I'm going to do for the next one, but it's a surprise. I've been trying to keep it a surprise for as long as possible. This is my slime. I'm not sure if you can see the glitter in it though. Sorry. It's slipping. That's slime. Not sure if you're able to see the glitter properly or not, but like that's a green with glitter in it. Types. That's my slime swirl. There's not as much green as pink. Like if I flatten it down all the way, it's not as much, you can tell. Even though in the green I added some more glue. Here, that's the difference. I'll be back when I'm finished cleaning up, so yeah. Hey guys, I'm back again after I finished cleaning my mess. I have the cream on the right here. It's actually a pretty good slime. It's actually a pretty good slime. Now I'm just going to be making another slime. I do have 2 more containers. And the next one is actually going to be a clear slime. And I've never actually made a clear slime in my whole entire life. So I'm not sure what to kind of expect. It's like, I've got, I'm actually not going to add any paint for this one. I'm going to do some clear slime with just confetti in it and maybe some glitter of every colour. I'm not quite sure. Now, guys, I'll be back. I'm going to go get something that will help me to open this. Okay guys, I am back with a rubber band. If you guys don't know, it's a life hack. If you cannot open a bottle, just put a rubber band around it. Make sure that the rubber is not loose or anything. Make sure that the rubber band is tight and is only on the lid. And then you guys saw that I couldn't open it before. I now got it. See, it's a life hack. As I said before, I'm not going to add any colour. So I'm still hoping that this kind of goes to plan. So do this. Guys, there's like legit, that was like legit a bubble. Like you see there's a bubble there. Like that, and yeah, see like that one. And they just rise up and it's so cool. I love that with clear slime. Guys, remember this is my first time making a clear slime. Let's cut it like this. Get action. This is gonna look so cool. I found this one look. Right now, you can't even tell there's glue in there. You cannot tell there's glue in there. First, I'm going to add a little bit of gold. I'm going to add too much, actually. I'm not going to do. First, the glitter just went everywhere. Now I'm going to try to go into the bowl. No, this keeps getting knocked over. This gold is just not coming off. It's really annoying me. Pull as hard as you can go. Don't know if we'll be using the gold. So hard to get off that it's peeling off my skin. Yeah. I'll be back when I've opened this. Okay guys, my brother got the lid off for me. So now I'm just gonna pour some into the container. I'm just gonna mix it all up. Okay guys, all of the glitter here. I'm going to pour it in. Look how cool that looks, guys. Ooh. Okay, it's acted better. Sorry guys, I gotta sneeze again. That's the one that's opened here. This is the one that I need then. Guys, it's walking. It's walking. Walking. Okie dokies. I'm just gonna go in with my hands. Oh god, it's still sticky. It's still sticky. Look at my hands. Hands are so messy. Guys, I'll be back. I'm gonna go get another baby wipe. I'm back. I'm back with the baby wipes. Sorry guys, I need to sneeze again. Pineapple, 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 pineapple. I need to sneeze. Won't come out though. Pineapple, 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 pineapple. Okay, guys. Guys, a tip for you: when you need to sneeze but you don't want to sneeze, just say pineapple over and over and over, and it will go away. I'm mixing it now. I'm mixing it now. But rather open the glitter again, because I'm weak. Nothing's wrong with being weak. Okay, I'll admit it. I'm strong, but I'm not strong enough to open the glitter. You know what? Instead of just doing that, I'm going to have to do this like I have to do every other time. I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to hand mix this. Okay guys, I took off the container. Now I'm going to pour the activator in to its little container. There we go. Now I'm going to pour this into here. By the way guys, and what it looks like, I can't really take it too much. Now I'm going to pour it in. Okay, I poured it in. I'm going to place it down. Whoa. I think this is going to be a good slime. I'm just going to say that now. I reckon it's going to be a great slime. It's already starting to come together. Sorry guys. I get carried away with things like this. I think this is the best slime that I've made so far. It's like the most stretchiest. It's stretchy, it's got a little bit of confetti in there. See, there's some confetti from the last one, but not too much. It's also got some golden glitter into it. He's in the background again. Stay there, stay there, stay there. Good boy. Let's shrink your head. No, I want to shrink your head. Oh, he won't let me shrink his head. Ooh, bubble, bubble. We haven't done bubble test. No.
Is this Noah? Movie crossover?
Oh no. Come on, you need to stretch. I want to climb as well and see if you crunch.
The movies I've seen before.
Where's my slime swirl? That's a really bad slime swirl. Now, let's see if it clicks. Clicks pretty well. Now we need to do the bubble test. Will it make a bubble? Oh, there's some confetti, guys. See? Look how much that stretches, though. It's like bigger than my face. No, I'm joking. Okay, kind of is. Kind of isn't. Okay, ready guys? 3, 2. Did you guys hear that? That was a bubble from this slime. I'm gonna try making a bubble again because it didn't quite work that time because I kind of squished it together at the end. Yeah, that was not fun. And I'm gonna review all of them. So for this one, out of 10, 10, I would give it about a 6.5 because it stretches, it clicks. When you can't make bubbles, it doesn't like make that sound like the crunchy one does. It doesn't crackle. It's stretchy. It's not sticky. The confetti one, I would give about a 5 because like when you play with it, you kind of get confetti on your hands. It does click. I'm not sure if it can make a bubble. I haven't done a bubble test on any of them yet except my yellow one. And the yellow one doesn't make bubbles. So yeah, this is that one. Stretchy. It's not sticky. Crackles. It clicks. Now, you can kind of make slime swirls with it. Let's see if you can make a bubble with it. No, there's a hole. There's a hole. There's a hole. Let's try making a bubble with it though. 1, 2, 3. I don't think any of these make bubbles. That's how bad they are. Yeah, I don't have enough. It's like not enough glue on them. So yeah, that one I would give a 5. See, you get confetti on your hands. Let's do the green one. So the green one kind of stretches. There we go. It stretches. Doesn't really crunch. Let's see. It clicks. Doesn't stick. I would give this one about a 7. I've never made slimes like this before. So like, yeah. Just remember that. It definitely crunches because it's crunchy slime. Ready? Doesn't really crunch right now because like, I would give this one a 9 out of 10. The beads do like kind of fall out. Okay. Time to squish it. You guys probably can't hear it because of all the beads falling out. So if the beads didn't fall out, it would be a 10 out of 10. But the beads fall out. So it's a 9 out of 10. Get out of my video.
Touch.
Hey, there's my crunchy slime. Hey, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there.
Hey, there's my crunchy slime.
Stop moving your head. Stop moving your head.
See ya. I'm out.
No, can't squish his head, damn it. Okay, I have finished making my 4 slimes. I would give this kit a 10 out of 10. It's a pretty good kit. Basically has everything. Don't know what it's missing. And also that they didn't make the spinner big enough. So like it doesn't go all the way around. And then little bits go around the edges and then you have to get the spoon. Take the lid off and go. What do you guys think is what slime do you guys think is if you think that it is the pink crunchy slime, comment down below